So I wanted to know what AI would tell me about the tupuna who ascended to the heavens to obtain the 3 baskets of knowledge. So I wrote to it, said, "Kia ora AI, can you please tell me which Māori ancestor obtained the 3 baskets of knowledge?" In about 3 seconds, this is what AI told me, bearing in mind that depending on where you're from, there are multiple truths to this pūrākau. So kia ora. The Māori ancestor associated with obtaining the 3 baskets of knowledge is Tāne Nui. Tāne Nui, also known as Tāne Mahuta, is a prominent ancestor and deity in Māori mythology, etc. And then it drops it down. Tāwhaki, on the other hand, so now we're heading into a different truth of this pūrākau, as a different ancestor associated with themes like ascent, longing, and observing knowledge through a spiritual journey, but he is not specifically connected to the acquisition of these 3 baskets. So the correct answer is Tāne Nui. But that's not the correct answer. It's just one multiple truth. And so although this AI looks like it's giving good information, it's not necessarily taking into account the other versions of the story that are recognised by other iwi.